What's up, y'all? This is Jay and Shay. I'm James.
And I'm Shantelle.
And we back for another video. Taste, test, challenge, whatever you want to call it. We back with it, right?
I feel like this one's a lot more better than the last one that we did, which was the baby food challenge. So
yes.
I'm actually kind of looking forward to this one, actually.
So let's dive right into it. Who's gonna go first? You went first last time, actually.
So sure too.
So I go first. So what we did, we got Japanese candy, and we both picked 4 different items. I got 4, she got 4. We're gonna just test them out. I'm gonna give her my 4, and then we're gonna switch off and on. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Of course, we don't speak Japanese, so I'm not sure what the names.
What we're even getting.
So these are like little. I don't even know what they are.
Like little bread. They're like little bread crackers that you use for soup.
I'll open it up for you.
No, this is for you.
No, this is yours.
Wait, I thought I picked mine for you. You picked your 4.
I picked 4 for you.
Are you serious?
You go.
Oh my gosh. I would have changed everything then.
Too late now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go.
Good? What it tastes like?
Tastes like sweet bread, like sweet crackers.
Sweet crackers?
Taste one. Actually not bad. I really like them.
That's a cookie.
It's good.
It definitely melts right in your mouth.
It tastes really good.
All right, what you got for me?
I have
that one bad.
these little
bad.
sticks here. I don't even know what it is, but these little breadsticks. They look like ramen noodle sticks, like dry ramen noodles.
Doesn't smell too bad.
That's exactly what they look like. Or like the little things, the little noodle things that go on the salads.
All right, let's
those
do it.
brown.
Let's do it. There, this is definitely noodles.
Is it?
It's not that bad though.
Let me see. Oh, what do you mean?
It's not that bad.
Oh. That's nasty.
It's not that bad.
That's nasty.
I like it. All right.
Ugh.
Let's get into yours. So, it's like a little pizza or something. I don't know what this is. It's like.
I don't know. Some kind of Japanese dish.
Oh, wait. There's Texas corn, it says on the back.
Is that opened already?
No. But it says Texas corn on the back.
What does that even mean? How is it Texas and it's in Japan?
No.
But whatever. Okay. You didn't give me no good stuff. Okay, here we go.
Well.
Oh, this does not smell good. Here we go.
Wait, they look like what's on the paper. Is it good? Is it good?
It's not bad, but no.
No.
I mean, I guess I can see myself eating this for a snack, but it's not bad. It has a hint, like you can taste the hot sauce or something.
Hot sauce?
Yeah, like the sauce.
Oh no! We ain't getting nothing to drink this time. Oh,
It's not that bad. We definitely have 2 different taste buds. That's not that bad, I don't think. Definitely smells strong. But
that's bad.
moving on. Okay.
All right, my turn. That was terrible.
No, you get it to me. So it's my turn to give it to you.
So what you got for me? What you got?
These,
What
I
you
think,
got?
are also some kind of puffs. So let me show you. This, I think, is going to be kind of like the same idea, but taste it. See if you like it. I don't know what it says. I don't know what it is, but just see if you like it.
It better not be colorful.
Smell it first. Smell it.
Oh.
Let me smell it.
No.
Let me smell it.
That is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, look at them. They're like Funyuns.
That don't smell like no Funyun. Smell like a bunion. Got him.
Let's do it.
Oh.
What does it taste like?
Oh no!
I smell it from your breath.
It reminds me of that baby food that we ate.
Really? I don't know if I want to eat.
Oh.
Ugh.
It's not good at all. And it dissolves like really fast.
Ugh.
That's a no-go.
No, you did not.
Sorry, Japan.
I just realized you picked that milk cream one.
Which one?
I do not want to eat that.
We'll save this one for last.
I do not want to eat that.
Oh, we're eating.
I don't even like
All right,
regular milk.
My turn. We got this little stick thing. Probably is gonna dissolve right as you taste it, but it's, I don't even want to try to pronounce it, but it's a bunny in the front. It might be good. Bunnies
Why
are
is
fun.
it in a stick form?
Bunnies are fun, right?
What's all these puff snacks we eat? These of?
It's all corn, starch.
This is like a big Cheeto.
Yeah, eat it.
That's what it smells like, a big Cheeto. And there's a hole in the middle.
There's a hole. It might be cream inside.
There.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, woo!
No, that's not what I wanted.
This is actually really good.
That is not what I wanted.
Like a big Cheeto. That's really good. I could eat that whole thing. Okay.
Made no sense. I want
When I thought I was picking for me, you got lucky. I was picking some good stuff.
Yeah,
for
you
me.
picked the nasty one.
Actually,
but
I
this one was good
got
stuff.
some for you.
No. You can't re-dig in the bag.
Honey.
Go what you got. Look at you trying to cheat.
Fine. This, I think, is like Pop Rocks.
Let's try it. Oh, yeah, I want like Pop Rocks. No, that's not Pop Rocks.
It looks like it.
We'll see. Damn, smells pretty good.
It looks suspect, though. Because, like, little pill shape.
It is a little pilly. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Oh, look.
They can't see it. Y'all see? Oh yeah, now y'all see it.
That look illegal.
Look at that. Okay, give me a little white one there, a little crack.
You taste it first, and I'll try it.
Little crystals in there. Oh, it is pop rocket. Can y'all hear that?
Ugh.
Oh.
Oh, it's like a one of one videos, a mukbang.
They pop really hard. They're really loud, isn't it?
Yes.
Y'all probably hear it because it is really loud.
What's the, like? I don't understand the purpose of having the little pill-looking things in there. That's what's making me not want to try it because of that.
But it hurts.
I'm not trying that milk cream thing. That looks nasty.
These gonna be popping during the whole video, so don't y'all be alarmed. All right, your turn. Last but not least, yeah, there they go. Last but not
Why you
least.
pick that? If I would have known, I would have picked that for him so fast. But I thought we were picking our own. Okay, so this just looks like.
Open it up. No more talking.
Oh, guys, it's just a cookie. It's called milk cream.
Cream in there. Eat it. These things are still popping. Is it good?
It's like, honestly, just like cheese in the middle. With like a sweet cookie.
No kind of cheese they got.
I'm not
No.
a fan.
All right, guys.
Oh my gosh, what
Last.
for me?
But not least.
No,
This is
it's
for
my
both.
turn. This is for you.
You right. Go ahead.
You got lucky because I picked some good stuff.
All right. Let's see what you got.
This is like a dip-in lick. And it's supposed to taste like Coke, I think.
Let's see what you got.
I'm so excited.
I'm still eating that little pop rocket stuff, which is actually pretty good. It just hurts in my mouth. All right. Let's see. Little man got his little 2 fingers up. This is like one of them, you know how you lick it in and dip it in that powder?
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's what it is. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. That's one of them things. right, let's see what we got. Let's see.
Oh no! Oh no!
They're not nasty, but
I can't take all the smacking. Is that bothering anybody else?
Oh
It's
no!
nasty.
taste it.
I'm not looking at it.
That was the last one. That was nasty.
It didn't taste like Coke or anything, Pepsi.
All right.
So this is
Now we got that out of the way.
a little packet of.
You sure think you know what it is. It is in Japanese.
I think I know.
What is it?
This is a little packet, like a little syrup packet or something like that of pineapple. That's a pineapple of a pineapple flavored something.
Y'all see it? Yeah, right there. Y'all can't read it, but y'all can see. Maybe y'all can read it, but all right, let's taste it.
Pour it in your mouth a little bit.
All right, there's a little hole.
And
Let's
it'll
smell.
suck on it.
Yeah, this smells like pineapples.
Oh.
A little pineapple juice. After all the candy, they give you a little juice. This is definitely just pineapple juice.
Let me see.
Don't squeeze it.
Mm,
Yeah.
that's good.
I don't know. Why don't we do this in America? Add a little packets of juice. You just take a little shot with the candy. Man, shell
Well, kind of Capri Suns is kind of like that. Little juice packet. Is it bits of? Yep, there's bits of pineapple in there.
That was too soft for pineapple.
Ugh. And you gonna keep eating it? Oh, it's like gummy.
It's like gel.
You sure it's just not moldy?
Y'all see that?
Maybe we're supposed to shake it up first. Ugh. Is the whole thing like that?
No, there's juice in there and a little gel. I just ate. Look at it.
It's like Jello.
It's good. It's
Ugh.
good.
I can't.
All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in. The candy was some good, some disgusting.
It wasn't all candy
It
though.
wasn't all candy. I had a little piece of jelly. I don't know what it was. But it was decent. I liked it.
Yeah, it was fun.
We appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for liking and sharing, and also subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Press
This
the
is-
subscribe button.
Please do. This is Jay and Shay. I'm James.
I'm Shantelle.
Thank you for tuning in.
Hey.